Let's learn how to divide the number 67 by 2 using the long division method. We know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. If we subtract, we get 0. Now 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this number 7 here. And we know that there is no meaning of zeros on the left. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Subtract, we get 1. Now this one is less than 2 and we have no number to bring down here. So in this case, we will put one decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 67 divided by 2 is equal to 33.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.